Welcome to Startech Motors. Founded with the commitment to provide quality service to our customers at affordable prices, we've been in the business since 1991 at the same location and ownership. We have built a solid reputation around the commitment to customers by giving them first-class service at modest rates. We specialize in Mercedes Benz, BMW, and most European car repairs and maintenance services. We have built a reputation based upon honesty, reliability, integrity, and professionalism. We are an independent automotive service with the equipment, technology, and experience of a large dealership with one vital difference. You are guaranteed honesty and value in comfortable surroundings where no one will forget you or your car. Many of our customers have been coming to us for years. At Startech, your car will be serviced only by factory-trained master technicians. Welcome to Startech Motors.